Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Talking.
Hello, I'm Olivia.
And I'm David. How are you today, Olivia?
I'm great, thank you. How are you, David?
I'm very good. Thank you for asking. Listeners, before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to Daily Talking.
Yes, click that subscribe button. So, David, I have a question for you.
Yes? What is it?
What do you think about the future?
The future? That's a big question.
I know, but I'm thinking about my future these days.
Really? What are you thinking about?
My goals, my dreams, what I want to do.
Ah, goals and dreams. That's interesting.
Yes, everyone has dreams, right?
Of course. I have dreams too.
Perfect. So today, listeners, we are talking about...
Future goals and dreams.
Exactly. And we will learn a very important phrase today.
What phrase, Olivia?
I want to.
I want to. Yes, this is super important.
This phrase helps you talk about your dreams and goals.
For example, I want to learn English.
Perfect example, David. So listeners, today we will practice I want to together.
And we will learn how to make a plan for your dreams.
Are you ready? Let's start. Okay, David. First, let's talk about two important words.
What words?
Goal and dream.
Ah, yes, these are important.
A goal is something you want to achieve. G-O-A-L, goal.
Like finishing a book.
Yes, or learning a new skill.
And what about dream?
A dream is bigger. It's something you really, really want.
Like traveling around the world.
Exactly. That's a big dream.
So, how do we talk about our goals and dreams?
We use I want to plus a verb.
I want to plus a verb. Can you give an example?
Sure. I want to visit Japan.
I want to visit Japan. Nice.
What about you, David? What do you want to do?
Well, I have a dream.
Tell us.
I want to learn guitar.
Guitar. That's wonderful.
Yes, I want to learn guitar and play music.
Why guitar?
Because I love music, and guitar sounds beautiful.
That's a great goal, David.
Thank you. What about you, Olivia? What do you want to do?
Oh, I have a big dream.
What is it?
I want to visit Japan.
Japan? Wow, that's exciting.
Yes, I want to see Tokyo, eat sushi, visit temples.
That sounds amazing.
I know! It's my dream.
Okay, listeners, let's practice together.
Yes, we will say some examples. Listen carefully and repeat.
Ready? First example. I want to read a book.
Good. Next, I want to learn cooking.
Great. Next, I want to speak English.
Perfect. One more. I want to travel.
Excellent. Did you practice, listeners?
Remember, I want to plus a verb.
I want to learn.
I want to visit.
I want to read.
So easy. Okay, David. Now we know I want to.
Yes, that's for our dreams.
Right. But a dream is not enough.
What do you mean?
I mean, you need a plan.
A plan?
Yes, a plan is the steps you take to reach your goal.
Ah, I understand.
For example, you want to learn guitar. That's your dream.
Yes?
But what are you going to do? what's your plan?
Good question.
This is where we use a different phrase.
What phrase?
I am going to.
I am going to?
Yes, this phrase is for your plan, your action.
So I want to is the dream.
Right. And I am going to is the plan.
I see the difference.
Let me give you an example.
Okay,
Dream. I want to speak English.
that's the dream.
Plan. I am going to practice every day.
Ah, I am going to practice every day. That's the action.
Exactly. You see?
Yes. So dream, I want to learn guitar.
Good. And the plan?
Plan, I am going to take lessons.
Perfect. You understand.
Listeners, this is important. Listen,
I want to is your dream, what you wish for.
I am going to is your plan, what you will do.
Let's practice. Listen and repeat.
I am going to study.
I am going to save money.
I am going to practice every day.
I am going to find a teacher.
Great job, listeners.
Now you know both phrases. Okay, David. Now we know I want to.
Yes, that's for our dreams.
Right. But let's make this more real.
What do you mean?
Let's talk about our dreams and our plans.
Oh, like a conversation?
Yes. I'll ask you questions.
Okay, I'm ready.
So, David, you want to learn guitar, right?
Yes, that's my dream.
Wonderful. But what is your plan?
My plan?
Yes. How are you going to learn guitar?
Let me think.
Take your time.
Okay, first, I am going to buy a guitar.
Good start.
Then, I am going to find a teacher.
A teacher. Excellent idea.
And I am going to practice every day.
Every day? That's a great plan, David.
Thank you. I think I can do it.
Of course you can.
Okay, Olivia, now it's your turn.
My con?
Yes, you want to visit Japan, right?
Yes, that's my big dream.
So, what is your plan?
Well, Japan is very expensive.
That's true.
So first, I am going to save money.
Save money. Very important.
Yes, I am going to save money every month.
Good. What else?
Then, I am going to learn Japanese.
Japanese. The language?
Yes, I am going to take Japanese lessons online.
That's smart.
And finally, I am going to book my trip.
Wow, you have a complete plan.
Yes, I'm excited.
Listeners, do you see how this works?
First, you have a dream. I want to.
Then you make a plan. I am going to.
And then you do it.
Exactly.
Let's do one more practice together.
Okay. Dream. I want to be healthy.
Good dream. Plan?
Plan. I am going to exercise 3 times a week.
Perfect.
Your turn, Olivia.
Dream. I want to read more books.
Nice. And your plan?
I am going to read 30 minutes every night.
Excellent plan.
See, listeners? It's easy.
You can do this too.
Okay, everyone, let's review what we learned today.
Yes, quick summary time.
First phrase, I want to.
This is for your dream, your goal, what you wish for.
Examples, I want to learn guitar. I want to visit Japan.
Second phrase, I am going to.
This is for your plan, your action, what you will do.
Examples, I am going to practice every day. I am going to save money.
Remember, dream first, then plan.
I want to plus I am going to equals success.
Perfect. Now, listeners, we have a question for you.
Yes, a very important question.
What do you want to do?
What is your dream?
Think about it.
And write in the comments.
Yes, write, I want to, and tell us your dream.
We want to know.
Maybe you want to learn a language
Or travel somewhere?
or start a new hobby.
Whatever it is, write it in the comments.
We love hearing from you.
And remember, make a plan.
Yes, don't just dream, take action.
Use I am going to and make your plan.
You can do it.
Okay, everyone, before we say goodbye,
Yes, very important.
please don't forget to subscribe to Daily Talking
Click that subscribe button.
and give us a like
Follow us on social media.
and share this podcast with your friends.
Help us grow.
Thank you so much for listening today,
We hope you enjoyed this episode.
and we hope you learned something useful.
Now go and think about your dreams.
And make a plan.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Take care
And remember, dream big.
and plan well.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.